morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I, Ananya of class 7B, is here to celebrate World Environment Day and happy World Environment Day in advance. It is on 5th June and I have made it an book holder with the help of cardboard. And I have taken some cardboards and I have cut it like this, and I have taken a box of cardboard and stick in the middle of this, and you can take another cardboards also and stick properly. And I have drawn some cute cat picture on this place. Yes, and you can also make anything on the place of this. Yes, I have covered it with the help of A4 size paper, A4 size paper, and I have decorated it with the help of glitter paper and some woolen thread, and make this. And you can draw anything on the place of this portion, but this portion of the picture should be flat like this, so that it should stand properly. And you can draw anything. For example, your scenery also you can draw on it. What do you like and what you can draw properly and beautifully you can draw. And I have made it, and now I can keep some comics and dictionary in it like this. As you can see, I have kept it in this like this. I have kept, and no problem is here to keep it in this. All books and copy you can keep it in and it's very easy to make, and some problems will come, so that you can stick it with the help of some tape. You can use tape or if glue also, but glue not with the help of glue you can't stick it properly, because I have also tried, but it has not stick properly. And like this it has been ready. And cut the part which is on the portion, and then it has been done. See, and the wool, on the place of wool you can also use the pink paper, and all the books copies are in this properly, and you should try it at home. It is very easy to make. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, and once again happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Evening, I am Captain Environment. Today I am taking steps safe to electricity and environment.
Hello.
इसको घुसाएगा कौन? Please save environment. Thank you.
To all my respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, myself Ananta from DAV Public School, Class 5. First of all, let me wish you all a very happy World Environment Day in advance, which falls on 5th June. So, today I am going to make a bag from old t-shirt. So, we need a old t-shirt, the sleeves. Now on the bottom you have to make 3 centimeter long stripes. Now you have to cut it. So now the stripes are cutted. Now the results are like this way. Now we have to tie the stripes like this way. Take the upper one and lower one and tie it tightly and make a knot. And now I have knotted all the stripes and the bag is ready for the shopping. Look, we can keep everything inside this bag. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Srishti of class 7B from DF Public School, Arya Samaj Mandir, Danapur, Patna. My father bought a washing machine and I kept the cardboard of that washing machine. And I prepared a bookshelf for me from that cardboard. Let's see. This is an ecosystem. There are plants, animals, river, water, mountains and caves. And this is my bookshelf.
And today I have taken the charge of my house as I am the captain of my house. Oh, the fan is open and there is nobody in the room. So we should always switch off the fan when it is not in any use. And what about the tube light? It is open when the natural light is coming. We should always switch off the light when it is not in any use. It not only allows into your house and also save energy. Oh, the tap is leaking. Always close the tap when it is not in any use. It saves water, which is very precious for us. Oh, the paper is scattered on the ground. We should always throw the waste in the dustbin. Oh, the things are not in their right place. We should always keep the things in their right place. And from that, we should find it easily when it is in need. By this way, you can save money, energy, and our earth. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayesha Kumari. I am from DAV Public School, class 6. I am thankful to Tarumitra to give us an opportunity to participate in the Environment Day competition. So I made an accessory holder from a cardboard box. So this is my accessory holder. This is a compartment for my hair band. This is a compartment for my rubber bands and hair clips. This is a compartment for my accessories. Thank you. Have a good day.
Dear Principal, Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am Arus Nayan of Standard 6A and today I am going to make a paper bag from a newspaper. Let's start it. First I take a newspaper and I apply glue on this side of paper. Then I fold it. First we fold this side of paper like this. Then we fold this side and we join them with the help of glue. Then we fold this side of paper and make triangular shape like this. Now I fold this paper like this. Now I open it and make a triangular shape like this. Fold like this. This. And we stick this side. I stick this, then I make hole with the help of this pencil. I put this string into this holes. I paste this paper in this. Now I also paste this paper on this newspaper, the best out of waste, and our paper bag is ready. Thank you.